Okay, we are at Hotel Zaza once again. We're staying at another Magnificent 7 suite. Look at this beautiful mirror. Gorgeous. Anyway, okay, this time we are staying at the Bella Vita. I love that it has, I think it's like if you are handicapped or whatever, but it'll also be if you're short. Okay. Look at this. Oh. Okay, so isn't it beautiful? When you first walk in, there is, this is the second bedroom. Wow, I love that headboard. Holy smokes. That's nice. Mama like. I know somebody else who would like this headboard as well. Oh, look at that chair. I love everything in here. Nice big TV. This is the, hi. Okay, this is the bathroom. All right, that's better. So it's a combo tub and shower. Very nice, very nice. And then we go back out here. Look at this beautiful chandelier. And the table is gorgeous. I believe I read online that this is hand painted. And over here is the kitchenette area. Let me turn the light on. Okay, there we go. Has a refrigerator, and there's snacks and boozery, ice, shelving. I mean, I just want to take one of these mirrors. They're so gorgeous. And a little sink there, microwave, outlet for something else, I guess. Some glasses up there. And then look how adorable. Look what they have the plates and stuff in. This is beautiful. Little silverware down there. Okay. I'm pretty sure this thing is haunted, whatever it is, but it's gorgeous. Hopefully, I should have brought some sage with me, but oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, and then these beautiful red velvet sofas. Oh, Mama like. And look what else Mama like. Hello, Papa Bear. Nice chairs, TV. Oh, let me show you the view. Okay, oh, maybe not. Oh, there we are. Okay, this is our view. Beautiful. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's the Magnificent 7 suite that we stayed in before over here, with the one that had the tub outside. This one doesn't have a balcony. Not that I need it, but oh, look at that. I mean, honey. Wait till y'all see the master bathroom. Okay, so this is the bedroom. This is the room where we're staying. We chose this one. Again, I love this chair. It's hard to see, it's black. I don't know if you can tell. Look at this. Oh, just abso-freaking-lutely love it. Okay. All right. This is the first part of the bathroom. Very nice. This is just the closet. I mean, it's a good sized closet, safe. Little robes. And look at this. Nice big soaking tub. And the shower is back over here. I really love it. This is gorgeous.